Today is a new day full of endless possibilities and opportunities. I am grateful for the gift of another day to live my life to the fullest. I am worthy and deserving of love, joy, and happiness. I choose to start my day with a positive mindset and optimistic outlook. I am capable of handling any challenges that come my way with grace and ease. I release all negative thoughts and emotions from yesterday and start fresh today. I trust that the universe is working in my favor and everything will work out for my highest good. I am surrounded by positivity and abundance in all areas of my life. I am healthy, strong, and full of energy to tackle my goals and dreams. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my intuition to guide me towards success. I am grateful for my blessings and excited for all the new opportunities that await me. I am deserving of happiness and will actively seek out moments of joy throughout my day. I am proud of myself for all that I have accomplished and will continue to achieve more. I am surrounded by loving and supportive people who uplift and inspire me. I choose to focus on the present moment and enjoy the beauty of each day. I radiate positivity and attract good things into my life. I am at peace with myself and my surroundings, and I choose to create a harmonious environment for myself and those around me. I am grateful for my personal growth and will continue to learn and evolve each day. I am deserving of all the good things that life has to offer, and I embrace them with open arms. I am open to new experiences and opportunities that will bring me closer to my goals and dreams. I am confident in my abilities to make the most out of each day and create a life I love. I am surrounded by beauty and inspiration that fuels my creativity and productivity. I am grateful for my loved ones and will make sure to show them my appreciation and affection. I trust in the journey of life and know that everything happens for a good reason. I am kind and compassionate towards myself and others, and I choose to spread love and positivity wherever I go. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions and choose to direct them towards positivity and gratitude. I am excited for the opportunities that this day will bring me and am ready to seize them. I am grateful for my talents and abilities and will use them to contribute to the world in a meaningful way. I am committed to living a life of purpose and fulfillment, and I trust that the universe will guide me towards my true path. I am happy, healthy, and whole, and I choose to live my life to the fullest with joy and gratitude.